Alright, here we are for the AirsoftGI YouTube unboxing mystery box V5 that I won in the $99 Mayo Gang mystery box. Alright, let's open this bad boy. My chair is turning. Keep everything interesting. It's probably upside down, but hey, we'll see how this goes. That away. Okay, first off, see something fun here. What's this? Oh, look. That is something I ordered. A V3 nozzle for my AK. The old one broke. Gotta get a new one. Alright. Uh-oh. No way. An Arcturus, which is awesome. Oh, look, something else I ordered. This is also for my other AK. An Arcturus, which I have been eyeballing these forever. Cisco, this is awesome. Let's see if it's on the label. What we want. Check that out. Mod B Carbine Ambi AEG Light. No wonder the box was so light. It's actually in the name. Still not used to doing this one-handed. Let's give it a shot. Check that out. All the Arcturus stickers, patches. This is sweet. And again, like it says, fully ambidextrous. Look at that. That is a sweet AEG.